Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix fail to create a character in Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game. So when you create the character and it fails to create a character in the Diablo 2 game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix to restart the game once, and then this will fix the issue and then it works. This fix has solved the issue for many players. So try this and check if it works in your case or not. If not, then fix is to convert one of your old characters and then everything should go well. So try this and then check. If this also doesn't work, then the third solution is to reinstall the game and then check. So simply uninstall Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game from your PC and then reinstall the game and then check. This fixed the problem for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So I hope by following these three fixes you can easily fix fail to create a character in Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game. So that's all for this video.